Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Is the camera dirty? Wait, it's dirty. Hey guys, welcome back to my don't mind if it's a little bit wet or something's on there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, by the way, I just keep saying that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with that's kind of confusing. I'm back with Neodibitson. I just found a super dog day cicada. My dad caught this guy. And this guy was so crazy at the beginning. Part of his wing, this wing right here, was about to break. And he's realizing it. And by the way, I just found a grasshopper too. He's right there. Ooh, wait, nice, beautiful evening right now. Here he is. You can get some good old close-ups of him. Look at those wings. He's a boy. Why? Because I looked under the cicada and it was a boy. It was making some sound when I had this guy. He was making some sound. So this guy was a boy. You can see he's just relaxing on my hand. He's pretty big. Look at this guy. Definitely not as big as that Megadibitson Olites. Megadibitson Olites is about twice the size of one of these guys. Megadibitson Olites is about 3 inches. Megadibitson Olites is about 3 inches. Or 2.5. Or 2 3/4 of an inch. Or 2 3/4 of an inch. That's how big these cicadas are, like about twice the size of these guys, maybe. Or maybe a little bit bigger than that. TV Sonolis is the largest cicada in North America. Yeah, I think you guys have probably heard of this video, maybe from a few days, or I think you probably have seen this video from a couple of days ago when I found this Megadibitson Olites male. It was like about 2 1/4 of an inch. Pretty much, I found that specimen. I don't think he was a Megadibitson Olites, I'm not so sure, but he was big. He was a big old cicada. I did a video with him a couple of days ago. Yeah, I think you probably have seen that video on YouTube already, but here he is. I think you have seen the previous cicada video too. See, this guy's just perched. Yay. Yeah. I found this guy. My dad found this cicada over on that bush-looking trees. Maybe, one of the trees. Oh my gosh. Autofocus. Turn it. Get off. Get off of that screen. Ooh-wee. Darn autofocus, are you trying to haunt my camera? If you're doing this right now, this is a bad opportunity. I haven't done a video of these cicadas in a while. So, yeah. Autofocus, do not appear again. What do you mean, autofocus? You don't stop haunting my camera right now. If it keeps haunting me, I'm just gonna bust it. And if this thing keeps appearing, I'm just gonna keep on tapping. Wait, when I touch the screen? I should not touch the screen then. Oh shit, it's not going away. Go away. I'm not gonna touch the screen. Yeah, I don't want that up here. Oh my gosh, I crushed an egg. Ew. That's disgusting. A bird egg. I'm not gonna set my finger on this screen. I don't want that to appear again. Not touching it. I could have a pretty likely chance of dropping my tablet. I could have a small chance of dropping my tablet, but that's fine. That's that. I think I can just hold. Yeah, I can hold it with my thumbs. Oh, dude, I can't put this guy on. We didn't crawl on there. I think I'm getting tired with you on there. Come on. Come on. I don't want to touch my screen. Stop! Get on! There's no! No. Don't you? Just. Oh shoot! No, not that way! You're going the wrong way. Okay, I got it. No! Stop it! Stop! I'm having a battle with this guy. What's going on? You want to fight for the grasp? I died. I'm dead. I was done. Oh my gosh, that got so weird. He wants to stay on my finger for some reason. Hey, grasshopper. It's kind of weird to see. Okay, here he is. I have to go. He's pretty crazy. Really good. Yeah, it's on his back. I never seen it. I think I've seen the grasshopper like a few times. Whoa, this guy! Stop it! Oh, go! Stop it! This guy's even crazier than the cicada. Oh shoot! I spit on my screen. That's gross. Bleh. Oh my gosh! I just zoomed in. Oh my gosh! I don't know what's going on. I keep messing with my camera. I was just trying to clean it. GG. I know. Okay. Stop jumping. This guy's even crazier. He's like 2 times. He's 2 times crazier than the super dog cicada. Like, this guy just wants to jump all over the place. He just wants to get out of here. This boy, he's so crazy. That's a little close up of him. I gotta put my camera on him. Stop it. Oh, shoot. Get on the cicada shells. Oh, sorry, I repeated that. Come on. Hey. Are you okay? Boy? Boy? Oh gosh, look at that wing. That's the wing I'm talking about. Oh no, he's back on my hand. Okay, he's just growing up. Is he gonna get on the camera? Dude, he's gonna get on the camera. What is he doing? No, he's trying to get on the camera. He's getting on the camera. No, he's on this. Oh Jesus, this is one crazy video. I think it's gonna be viral on YouTube. I'm 100% sure, positive of that. He's gonna crawl on the camera again. A giant cicada attacks camera, dude. Giant cicada attacks camera. This is good. Yeah. Oh my gosh, he's gonna crawl on the camera. Dude. Oh my gosh, yeah, I guess the camera doesn't have wood on it. I don't think this camera's made of wood. Cicadas can easily come on wood. That's at least what I know. He literally was crawling on my tablet a few times. You probably have seen that. I put my tablet right here, kind of position. Gotta put it right here. This is a thumbnail. Whoa, wait, that's a good old close-up there. Yeah, that's gonna get viral. Bang, he's gonna get on the camera again. Silly cicada. Yo, you can get a pretty, oh my gosh, you look at that. Just look. Oh, he's appearing right up there. He's right up there. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, I made the video. I'm sorry, guys, I have to end it right now because, oh my gosh, I don't want to erase up all my story.